Narito na ang napaka-healthy na recipe, meatless, dinakdakang tokwa. This is Leonard and welcome to another LMS Kitchen episode here at LMS Vlog. And for today's episode, tayo ay magluluto ng isang meatless recipe na perfect sa mga nagda-diet, ang dinakdakang tokwa. Ang tokwa is a very healthy na recipe. It's actually rich in protein, so it's a good alternative para sa ating mga karne. At para sa ating mga ingredients, so we will be needing tokwa, mayonnaise, calamansi, onion, salt, and pepper. So it's a very quick and easy na no-meat recipe. So napakadali lang ng recipe nito actually because we will just pan fry our tofu, and then after pan frying we will just slice it into cubes and then mix everything, and that's it. So let's now start cooking. And we are now heating up the oil sa ating frying pan, and then we'll pan fry our tofu by batch. Ayan. So, i-golden brown lang natin yung dalawang side ng tofu, and then after it, we're done.
A few moments later.
Ayan, so we're good with the other side ng ating tofu. Balik na rin na natin siya. So you just have to make it sure na golden brown siya para merong crunch yung labas ng ating tofu later, but it's still soft inside.
A few moments later.
Alright, so pag na-cool down na natin yung ating tofu and it is now easy to handle, slice na natin into chunks yung ating mga tofu. There you go. Na-prepare na natin yung ating mga ingredients para natin i-assemble ang ating dinakdakang tokwa. Alright, so narito na yung ating fried tofu. All we just have to do is assemble everything. Lagay na natin yung ating onion, chopped onion. Maglalagay tayo ng pepper. Salt. And we're using Lady's Choice Real Mayonnaise. Mamayo ba to? Please guys, konti lang. And to add a tangy flavor, maglalagay din tayo ng ating calamansi. Ayan, so i-mix lang natin ng maayos. Narito na ang napaka-healthy na recipe, meatless, dinakdakang tokwa. Yum!